Good morning, guys. It's me, Ethan. Yeah, it is good morning, to be honest. Okay, guys, so I'm off to the dairy with $10. And, here's the deal. Yesterday, don't ask me why, but for some reason, I think I told you, my nana gave me $10. I don't know why, but she did. And Jimmy got real upset because she got plastic dominoes. Those dominoes we were playing with. It's like a set our supermarket did. But anyway, so I made a deal with her. I said I would buy her a pack of lollies. But I was still being an idiot last night. And I said that she could only have a 50-cent packet of lollies and that's all she was getting. So while she's still in bed with Mum watching TV, I've popped out to go to the dairy and get some lollies and food and drinks. Yummies. So, Gemma has no idea I'm doing this. She was really upset last night. That's why I didn't vlog anymore once we got home. Gemma was crying and a bit upset. But yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go. Sorry about the wind. I can't stop the wind. I'm not the controller of wind. Any sounds of wind on the camera? It's your fault. Whoa, I almost fell over. That would have hurt. B&E's. Almost there, guys. Just got storm mode. Smells like smoke in here. $4.70. Oh, you know what? I'll just get this, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn the camera off. Okay, guys, I'm out having some trouble carrying everything. And it's tiring, and the Lift Plus is cold on my arm. Luckily we only live 2 blocks away. Sorry, had to work that out. Stupid Ethan. You guys could so easily track me down if you live in Dunedin. You know where that dairy is. I film pretty much the whole way home. So quite honestly, you guys could just figure out where I am. And it would be creepy. Okay, let's go home. The reason I stopped filming for a little bit, and that's so you guys can't track me down. Although I doubt anyone would, just in case. Don't really want to risk it. Wouldn't want anyone to... Sorry, I'm seriously having trouble carrying all this while vlogging. I've got change under my middle finger and my ring finger, and using my pointing finger and my thumb, I'm holding the lollies, and then using the palm of my hand, I'm pushing the Lift Plus against my chest so it will stay there. So yeah, Dad's the only one that knows I went out. I told him my plan. Jimmer and Mum have no idea the nice deed I'm about to do. Mum will like it because I'm doing something nice to Jimmer for once. You guys don't get it. We still act like ourselves on camera, except we act like our fun, nice selves. When the cameras go off, we turn to our siblings and sisters and husbands and go, okay, now hun, you're being a bit of an asshole. Or, Jimmer, you're a real dick. Don't say that. Things change as soon as the cameras go off. Or, no, Ashley. Hello, cat. Usually cats run away from me. They do not come striding towards me. Your tail wobbles when I pat you. I don't mean like a soft flick. I mean like when I pat it, it goes. That's made you so motion sick. That's like how they film Cloverfield. Oh no! Almost home. Okay. We're home. Green fence, blue house. I do believe this is my house. Down the driveway, the shared driveway. Yes, that's right, we've got a shared driveway. Okay, now I'm going to be quiet in a minute because I don't want Jimmer and Mum to hear me come home. Sounds more like I'm sneaking out than doing them a favour. $2 bag, $2 bag, $2. I can't. It's stuck to my hand. Oh, bleeding nose. But you got $2 bag. I want to see your reaction to $2 bag. Did you hear her? She was like, $2 bag. Oh, that was cold. There is a reason I got an energy drink today. There is a reason. The reason is, me and Grandma aren't going to be going to the street party until later. And I had a really late night last night, and I'd actually like to be able to go crazy at the Vogel street party, not just stand there just like, I don't want to go to sleep. I want to be like, ugh. And energy drinks do that. I once had a whole V at 5 o'clock in the evening. And then when I went to go to sleep, I couldn't sleep and I was awake till midnight. It sucked. Okay guys, so dairy mission succeeded. Jimmer was very happy to get a $2 bag. How are you, Ashley?
Where's my $2 bag?
You can share my $2 bag. I spent $4.70 on a Lift Plus for feck's sake. Okay, guys. Me and Mum are just gonna go to the supermarket and chemist to pick up a prescription. It's very hot and sunny. Once again, glowing knees. Oh! As I said, we're going to the chemist and the whoa! That's a little bit hardcore, guys. Get ready to see this. I'm going to show you guys. Ready? Let's drive. Ready? Look, quick, pause! What the hell was that? Well, that's intense. Okay guys, hack and save. We're here. And if you guys are wondering, yes, we do go here almost every 2 days. We always seem to need something. It's just how our family works. Don't know why, but it is what it is. Do I look fabulous?
Fabulous. No, you look filthy actually. You haven't showered.
What? I know that. So, those are some interesting boards. Never seen ones like that.
What?
Board thingies. Usually they have those ones, but today they have those ones. Fancy. So fancy.
You can see them though, but you can stand out way.
He's gonna die of a caffeine overdose. He's got like a carton of 18 Red Bull. Like you're supposed to take like, you know, like buy a Red Bull or two, but this guy took the whole cardboard carton and it's full. It's shocking.
We just go straight through the front.
I don't know. Now we're going through the cold bit in shorts and a t-shirt.
It's got big feet. Don't hold this for us.
It's actually really not cold. Now I can't put my shoe back on.
Yes, it is.
We
You've got
probably
to
look
actually
like
stand on it.
we look like a bunch of idiots taking our shoes off to stand on it. I want to stand on the cold floor.
God, you do.
Jimmy, just walk.
You're doing that too.
You know you're a bad person when you vlog. Yeah, that's because you're in front of me. You know you're a bad person when you're vlogging a little girl with a baby on her back. Why? Please don't hurt me. Gemma, stop.
I wasn't even
vlogging.
hurting you.
I have vlog proof.
Coming.
I have vlog proof, guys. Try the smoother, creamier coffee. Let's go do it. Come on.
Fine, Gemma.
Look, are you looking for? I wanted you to come and.
Why don't you just get 4 for 5 and I get a couple of packets of these? Is that why you got it?
They don't give a single price.
नहीं लो हाँ
What you get?
Since you're getting Jimmy that, you're going to have to pay 70 cents of this.
What are you doing, Gemma?
Sorry. Take this. Please come get a small coffee with me. Can you at least get one for me? Can you get one for me? Take this. Can you please just keep me? I don't want to do it. I'm getting a small coffee because shh. Secret mission. Yummy. Coffee. Do you want some coffee? Ask Mum to get you coffee. Gemma, don't you want coffee?
I just want coffee.
Why? Gemma, do you want coffee? No. Gemma doesn't like coffee. Then again, she's 8. But then again, I'm 11. What kind of 11-year-old likes coffee? This is taking a while. They have mandarins in a can. $1.99, which means Mum's gonna have to pay 70 cents. But then again, she's buying you a chocolate bar, so
That's 80 cents. You could have just got some chocolate bars.
exactly. I don't want chocolate bars though. You yucky girl. No, you're not. Put it back. We've got jelly. Put it back.
Here's this.
No, we've still got more jelly.
Now let's go behind.
What is taking my mum so long? 2 random girls just pointed at us as we walked past. They were like, "Oh my god!" And it was like,
Lock it, Ethan, because it wasn't worth it. Because you left your window wide open.
I can't get in. But yeah, I don't know why. Like, okay, this is my thing. This is my theory. 1, they weren't pointing at us at all.
Could have been pointing at something behind you.
Yeah. 2, that's what I mean. They could have been pointing at something else. 2, I could have had like a massive spider on me or something. Or 3, we actually got recognised. That's the least possible one. Yeah, I doubt that one, but it's possible. One day we will get recognised. One day going to Pack and Save will suck. It'll be like, let's go buy some Woodkers chocolate milk with our millions we made from YouTube. Oh my god, Ethan!
Your dreams, buddy. But dreams are free, so...
Dreams are free. Hey, if we continue doing these vlogs, they will progressively get more views and more subscribers, and do you know what that means? One day, in all the many years I will do vlogs, I bet ya, I will get recognised at least once. I mean, the people that live in Dunedin, especially at Pack and Save, you see these people all the time. And as soon as the people at Pack and Save see that I hold a camera all the time, they're gonna start getting curious. Unless they're old, then they'll probably go, what is he doing? But the younger generation will be like, he's making a vlog or a YouTube video or something. And then they'll hunt us down. We're home. Still haven't drunk my coffee because since it was a taste tester and there was lots of people doing it. Yeah, but so this woman apparently put like barely any sugar in and like a drip of milk. Literally. Ben. You can't see him properly, but Ben.
Trying to get them off.
Ow.
Push hard enough, you can actually undo them.
Yeah.
Oh, they're a pain.
You got a
Almost have
baby.
to put a drill in it and use an easier.
Ben.
Hello.
Okay, I'm about to eat some pasta. Just chilling until Vogel to the street party secret location.
Vogel Street? What secret?
Fine, Vogel Street. You come stalk me, have fun. Actually, by the time this goes up, I will have already been, so good luck. Unless you're already going. Okay, I'm just gonna tell Dad. I was just packing to go to Grandma's. Got my bag full of clothes and a book. My cuddly pillow, my cat. Just kidding, he's not coming. Acid, the script, and what I've done with my book so far for my grandma to read, because my grandma enjoys reading. So if she doesn't mind, I'll get her to look at the script. And if she doesn't mind, should I give you guys a piece of the script? I'll give you the first 3 lines. Ashley and Emma mumbling about how excited they are. This is my mother. Okay, Ashley, Emma, I need you to look after Ethan. Ashley, disgusted. Are you serious right now? That's all you get. And of my book, I will read you the first word. Introduction. Introduction. You thought I was going to read you the first word of the book. No, just the first. Fine, I'll read you one sentence. We had always been close. That's it. You guys just don't get much details at all. Meow meow, you want in? Hello, mischief. Okay, you go sleep down there, you weirdo. Okay guys, so I'm not going to be...
What's this, was it?
Yep, thank you. Glasses. I see. So I won't be vlogging for about an hour now, because I'm actually gonna clear the memory card onto my mum's computer, and I'm not gonna vlog till my grandma gets here, because when my grandma gets here, it's worth vlogging. You've got acid on the back.
I know.
Oh, okay. Dad's reading what I've done of my book so far. All you guys get to see is introduction.
This is Grandma's, I should say.
This is for Grandma?
Yep. Pop it in your bag so you don't forget it.
Wait, what's rustling? Hey, cereal. Chins. 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 Go down, look right down. Chins. Actually, you do.
Oh, maybe one wee
It
one.
doesn't matter how skinny you are, you always have more than one chin if you look down. There was this girl that went to our school last year that we were good friends with, and honestly, she was literally so skinny. She did gymnastics like every day, but she was really skinny, and when she wanted, she could go from like this to like this. It was kind of scary. Like, I literally, I don't know if this is true, but I wouldn't be surprised if it is. She probably scares boys off with it. Like, if a girl comes up to you, hi, hello, damn. Like, it was scary. She was like, it was cool. Just go in the bag. Those two. Look at them just sitting there. Ashley looks dead. She finally blinked. Grandma G is here with some highly pink pants.
I'm not allowed to do on here, am I?
I didn't show your face. Same with Mum. When we're filming Mum, we're always like,
The sky.
the sky yeah. It's a,
Where have you got the shit?
yes.
Yep. Custard brioche?
Yep.
Overworked it again, eh?
Chocolate custard brioche.
Have you got something to put it in? Because I'm going to take the rest away.
No. Somewhere we do. Somewhere. Somewhere over the meow meow. Is awake. Let's go see her. Oh no, it's dark in here.
I was just saying.
It's pitch black. Don't worry, it's pitch black. You actually can just see your outline. Baby. You can't see her. Sorry it's so dark, guys. There's a mirror with some light.
Working yet, are they?
Baby.
Oh, there's that camera again.
That goddamn camera. Can we take a minute to appreciate Grandma's pants?
Hey.
Grandma G. Don't worry, I'm not filming your face.
Just
It's like,
use it even.
what? Hold your hands, hold your hands, hold your hands.
Rasta hair going on at the back.
Yeah.
Kia ora.
So nice.
Does that happen?
Yep, a little bit. Little bit, little bit. Ginge, can you get your butthole out of their hole? Butthole out of their hole, out of me hole, out of... I like it though, out of me though, out of me bow. I'm still filming. I'm doing something I shouldn't. Stop filming. Lost you guys for a minute. Hey guys, so we're at the Vogel Street party. It's interesting things happening. Lots of people. It's much bigger than this, it's an entire street. There's some children actually watching people do things and some just running, going wild. Grandma's just popping into the bathroom and I'm just waiting out here for her. It's a pretty interesting place. We went to, me and Grandma came to last year's one before we were doing daily vlogs, way before, and it was cool. This year's much busier. Last year's was very successful, so this year there's a lot more people. Having a good time so far. It's massive. Look at these lamps. Don't ignore the buildings in the windows. I can't help that. There's big buildings everywhere. Massive buildings. But they're pretty. And then if you look up here, there are some creepy staircases. So
Keep going to see what's here.
We are going to go to the end, and then we're going to enter a creepy dark hallway. Oh,
Two swords are fighting icons. Right?
interesting. We're just walking around. Yeah. Okay, are we gonna Sam? Hello. Come on. Before I said we were gonna go into this weird dark bit, we're about to do it. There's a lot happening in here. So did I. Pretty cool.
Piano cave.
Well, that was
Very cool.
interesting.
Very cool.
Very cool, says Grandma. I got a little bit lost with the dead cat, and then the little boy hitting a pan, and then the frog and the monkey. That was a bit.
I wasn't watching, I was just listening.
Well, you guys didn't see the bit with the frog and the monkey. It was weird. Okay, guys, we're going to some photo synthesis thing.
toilet.
Just go.
This place is awesome. This is so cool.
We're supposed to love the location.
That's so cute and cool.
So tempting for a kid to touch.
Looking with our eyes.
These are cool. These are cool.
When you do get it,
Don't know if I can vlog this bit.
This little cup of tea conversation. So obviously if it doesn't eats it, a few months later he gets infects and it's just like then you get the next day. Seriously, when he gets a call from the lawyer, this is real.
This place, but we just found something. Holy, it's like you guys can't even see the top of it. It's brick. Some random crap sticking out of the walls. There's a hole here. It's weird. And there's Grandma's hand. You can't see Grandma, but you can see her hand. And it goes up real high, so high you guys can't even see. Blinded you guys. It goes up. It's very dark in here.
We're out. I just watched the first episode. Okay, guys, so we were just walking past here and we found this. Behind bars, we found this. It's just counting down. We don't know what for, but it's there and we don't know why, and it's kind of creepy. It reminds me of a song off Saw.
Melting ice caps and that.
I'll be very tempted to go and dance. Huh?
C'est pas possible, tu viens de la manquer. Tu viens de la manquer. Elle est partie en Marseille pour voir son frère.
Alors je me suis dit, non, Paris c'est une grande ville. Comment je peux trouver Marie-Josée? C'est pas possible. Et non, il m'a dit non, Marie-Josée m'avait dit que à Paris, samedi dans les après-midi vers 15 ans, elle va être au Champs-Élysées, dans les cafés. Alors, je prends l'avion, j'arrive au Champs-Élysées. Pardon, j'arrive à Paris. J'attendais jusqu'à samedi dans l'après-midi vers 15 ans. Je suis allé au Champs-Élysées. Je cherche partout dans les bars, partout dans les cafés, dans les restaurants. Je ne vois pas Marie-Josée. Je dis c'est pas possible. Bon, je vais attendre encore une semaine. J'ai attendu. Alors samedi d'après, je suis allé au Champs-Élysées encore vers 15 heures. Je cherchais partout dans les cafés, dans les restaurants, dans les bars. Je ne vois pas Marie-Josée. Alors, elle a blessé mon cœur. À Wellington, je pleure pour Marie-Josée. Marie-Josée, 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 Marie-Josée. Je t'aime, je t'aime, je t'aime, je t'aime, je t'aime. Marie-Josée, je t'aime. I love you, Marie-Josée. I love you. Reviens, reviens, reviens dans mes bras. Reviens, reviens, reviens dans mes bras. Marie-Josée, 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 Marie-Josée. You go there, Marie-Josée, Marie-Josée. Yeah, we're gonna give it the last song because the other band come. But this is just the test of magic. I'm very proud of you.
Today's vlog. There's been plenty happening. Sorry I can't film anymore, but the memories are almost full. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed today's vlog. It is day 20 and we'll see you all next time. Bye.